Hi everybody, Danny here. Well, let's head on over to easel and put a little bit of wet sand and some work on those waves, okay? I'll meet you there. And here we go. Okay, let's put in some wet sand stuff, okay? And we're just kind of making just some lines like this, okay? And of course, we're starting off with our acrylic, okay? We're just putting in just some lines. And that gives the illusion of water. Now, on the wave, what we're going to do is we're just going to put just some light gray here and there. See, and that gives the illusion of some shadow of a wave that's crashing down. Okay? Now we're going to come over here into our watercolor, and we're going to essentially do the same thing. See, just like that. And we know that this is going to dry lighter. Okay, and we're going to do essentially that same thing right there, just like that. Okay. And the same thing with the wave here. Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to get water on the brush. Okay, and we're just going to kind of just spread that out like that. Okay, and that's going to pretend like it's a crashing wave. Now, tomorrow what we'll do is we'll make some watermarks out in here. It's just little watermarks made like that to give some motion to the water in the ocean. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, and be sure to leave comments. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. That wasn't all that hard now, was it? Tomorrow, we're going to work on the water a little bit. So be with me tomorrow. And remember, in the meantime, Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.